Guys, here we go. Challenge of the day. We're gonna see if the dogs can beat the humans.
I think they will.
We got Nezzy, Fluffy, me and Elijah, and 4 pounds of hamburger. So let's see who can win.
We're gonna lose this one.
No, we're not gonna win.
Fluffy.
You ready?
You got Fluffy.
Which one did I say was mine? That's got salt on it.
The seasoning one.
Look at him, look at him, look at him. Are you ready?
Nezzy, Nezzy.
You ready? Back it up, back it up.
Nezzy, come here.
That's mine. Okay.
Right here.
Ready? Set. Go.
Oh, Luke came in.
Oh, now Luke's joining in.
Oh.
Come here, Fluffy. Hey, no hands.
Nezzy's trying to clean her plate. Elijah, have her help you.
Nezzy. I got it up my nose.
Hey, I
Aiden, you got meatballs back there.
Well, that was a fail.
I got bigger.
I thought for sure I could do better than that.
I could have done better.
Are you gonna eat it all?
We got some.
Aiden, back up.
He's in your nose.
Aiden, stop.
I knew Fluffy was gonna win.
Oh my god.
Fluffy's fat.
These scraps.
Did
All
he
right.
finish yours too?
Yeah,
He finished before Nezzy.
He ate all of mine.
They both gonna gain some weight.
He ate the rest of mine. Nezzy ate the rest of his.
Well, you ate a couple bites too.
Oh my goodness. I thought it'd be a little easier than that.
Fluff boy. Did you win, boy? Fluffy.
He should
Hey,
get up.
Fluffy.
Are you the winner?
Are you the champ? Smile. I'm a big fat boy. I'm a big fat boy.
Fluffy's the winner. And Nezzy got second place.
Hey Nezzy, was that
Yeah, we
good?
both
Was that a
lost.
good treat?
There's no third place. We both lost.
Yeah, there was no third place. Shit.
You see how Nezzy holds her plate?
Yeah, she holds
She
it.
sticks it with her foot.
There's Team Dog and Team Human. We lost.
Yeah, we got our asses
There's
whooped.
3 dogs that are eating now.
We got whooped
Yep.
bad. Really, Aiden? You're standing there in your boxers?
Get out of here.
You know you're on camera, right?
I don't care.
The whole world is seeing you now.
Oh,
I don't care.
Are you done, Nezzy? Nezzy.
I think they've pretty much
Nez,
finished.
are you done?
Luke cleaned that whole plate.
They pretty much cleaned. No, see, look, she wants more. She's like, here's more, more, bigger, 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 bigger.
And you thought Nezzy wasn't gonna go for it.
That was the fastest 4 pounds of hamburger ever.
We just
I
moved.
think I got maybe a quarter pound.
You're not going
I
next
don't even know if I
to
got a
Nettie.
quarter pound. I got like 2 big
You're not going
wads
next
in
to
my
Nettie.
mouth, and that was it. By then, I was over. Fluffy was done.
Yep.
All right,
He ate a whole
that's all she wrote.